Well, hello, this is my first official proper gameplay video. I'm playing Teardown. I've already played this game. I really enjoyed it. So this is me basically just f***ing around playing Teardown, trying to get through all missions of the campaign. That's pretty much it, really. So, I don't know, hope you enjoy. Any feedback, let me know. And let's just do it, shall we? Campaign. It's been like 6 months I played this game, so I generally can't remember anything about playing this. I've missed that. Let's begin. Okay, right. Now what the fuck? Okay, okay, tab is the map. Okay. Location, your position. Documents in office. Okay, so one's here. Where the fuck is the other one? And one here for secondary targets. Primary targets: car in warehouse, car and ship. Okay, right. Time to start getting to work then. Okay. Okay, right. So it's over here? Yeah, I think it's over here. Okay. I might try and do a bit of editing, put some royalty-free Kevin McLeod. Open you, bitch. Okay, so it's upstairs, from my knowledge. Where the f***? Am I in the right place? Wrong side of the building. Over here. That was eerie. Ah, there you are. Okay, right. So, here's my plan. Bust this wall down. Okay. Let me get out. No, this one. Just get this car, because I should. No, jump and get across. Okay. Reverse, you reverse. Okay, right. Can I... You... motherfucker. Okay. There's a lot of trial and error, isn't there? Reverse. Okay. You get this truck. Oh, I just... Turn, you bitch! There you go. Back up. Ah, perfect. Okay, right. I'm stuck on the truck. There we go. Okay, so now I need to find a way to get up. Okay, can I just break that down? Shit. Have a good chair. Come here, you fucker. Get in the truck. Get in the... Okay, right. Oh, you bitch. Ah. Get in the truck! Oh, fuck this. Fuck you. Oh, thank you. Let me get... Don't test me now. Oh shit, wait. No, fine, God, this fucking game looks nice. It's crazy how nice this game looks. It's ridiculous. This game's a bit old now, and I really could not care, frankly. Ooh. Thank you. Okay, let's just get one place. I'll go back to this prick in a minute. Okay, right. I just ram the gates. Okay, right, that worked. It's... I think it's in here, I think? Nope, no it's not. I'm wrong. Just, not all the way through this gate. Yep. It's in here. What's nuts? Where the f is it? Ah, wait, over here. How the f do I get this off? Shit. Okay, I can hang in the boat. Get some paste. Yeah, that don't work. Best thing to sink down. I'm stuck in the thing. Help! Get me out! Get me out. Okay, let me cut my way through the fucking wall. There we go. That worked. Okay, I'm just gonna get in there. God damn it. I was hoping it wouldn't do that. Oh, well. Shit. There we go. Fuck you. Fuck your car. Right. Oh, I'm fucked. Okay, let's give him a car. Screw it. I'm not gonna get it. I know I'm not gonna get it. It's trying to find a door, it says, right? Ow, you bitch. Drive like the last. God damn it. Oh. Oh. Piece of shit. Drive. Drive. Get me out. No. 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 Hey. No. No. Get off me. God damn it. Frankly, because the game's physics in this are just beautiful. That's the fucking price of it. Just come all the way through here. Thank you. Here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, is nothing. Reverse. 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 Drive. This thing handles like a slow bitch. Here we go. Jesus Christ, does it go any slower? Oh, for the love of God. Finally. Okay. Now here's what I'm gonna do. Get on the box! You fucking... This guy cannot jump to save his life. Jesus Christ, my speaker's turned off. Here we go. Beautiful. This is beautiful to witness. Yeah, that's lovely. The actual detail in this game is frankly ridiculous. It makes no sense how nice this game is. It's delusional, frankly, how nice it is. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna try and do a time lapse. I'm just gonna let this unfold. It makes no sense in game. No. And that's a more 5, shall we? There we go. Oh, look, right in heads. Let's put a 4 bit on 5, shall we? There we go. It is going to be very nice, but at the end of the day, we're probably going to be here for hours. So, yeah, there we go. And I'll put a bit here too. There we go. The pot effects in this game are phenomenal. Well, there's a propane tank. That'll catch in a few minutes. fucking come here. There we go. Come on. Come on. Oh, but propane tanks go up. God damn it. There we go. I got it. Oh. Oh. Damn it. Damn it. You know you want to. You know you want to. You know you want to. Come on. There we go. There we go. Okay. The plan is simply to ram it. Okay. Okay, crash now. There we go. This is my first video. Don't know what I'm doing. Just kind of screwing around really and just trying to have some fun. So. Oh, oh, oh. Thank you. Good, thank you. Oh, yep. I'm in the bush. Oh, there you go. No. There we go. What's this from? Huh? Nothing changed. Oh, that's the fire spraying inside. Jesus. It's upstairs. Oh god, I can't stop gushing over this game. God, it is so much fun. It's just, you know what I mean? I just, oh, dear God. It's great. I love it this. Let me add a bit. Hang on, just 2 seconds. And a bit there. And yep. What do you call these? Try it. Jesus Christ, if you saw a boat like this in real life, what the hell would you do? There's no way I can drive it. Yes, I can. I can drive this. I just crash it and everything. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Damn it. Hit the house. Hit the house. Yes. That's it. The hell's that? Whatever. And level 4. Blowtorch! You know, if I had a superpower, I don't want to hug some blowtorch. Like, legitimately, just you know, being torch like this. What do you want? I like there's some pyrokinesis in it. God, this is so satisfying. It's ridiculously nice. That is what I was thinking. What the hell is this setting on fire? You know what? Weirdly, I think this might actually be quite fitting. Yeah. I guarantee this video does terrible. But it's going to. I can just feel it. But I don't know. This is my first real video, let's be honest. And I don't know, I'm learning. So hopefully this is kind of a start. And I can really start make strides to be better. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is a good enough ending screen. Okay. Well, I guess that's basically the end. This is probably the most crappy video ever, and I hope you found some satisfaction in just listening to it. I guess I don't know. The whole typical like spiel, like, comment, subscribe, all this, but I don't really think anyone's even going to see this. But if you do, I'd like to get some feedback, so comment, let me know how you thought of it, and I guess if you liked it for some weird reason, I guess you could subscribe. So, yeah. Also, let me know if my energy was alright. So, yeah. Thanks, and see you whenever the next video I upload is. Later.